Here's where you can go to change the default SMS messaging app on your Watch 6 or your Watch 7. From the clock face view mode here, go ahead and swipe down from the very top and tap on the settings icon. Once you do this, you'll be taken to this here. Then go all the way down to the part that says apps, right? So you're looking for apps. This one right here. Once you tap on it, you'll be taken to this here. And the first option would be choose default apps. As you tap on it, you'll be taken to this section here. Then go down some more until you see SMS app. And from here, whatever compatible app is compatible with both your watch and your Samsung phone will most likely appear here. So for the most part, the Google Messages and your Samsung Messages app will probably be the only one that can appear here and you can choose from. And it's up to you to make that decision here. And of course, you also might want to check your phone if it's synced with your phone at the moment, if that's also the app that's set as the default if it's not synced already. So if this guide helped, like and sub.